Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So to do that, you just should hold for a while the application and drag this app to the another application. And as can you see here, we got the new screen folder, and just to add here more applications, you should hold for a while one from the apps and drag it here to this folder. So if you want, sure, you can change the name of the folder. For example, enter here your own name. I'll just enter here the apps. You can move this folder here on the screen, just hold for a while and drag it to the position where you want to just change the folder position. Also, you can create the new screen with the folder. So I'll go back, and if you want to just remove the application from the folder, hold for a while and drag it here. For example, if you want to add this application back to your screen, or also you can just tap here on, and as can you see, just this folder is gone. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.